All right, this is the bottom of page 21, the review of chord progression 1, 5, 6, 4 in all the inversions. So check it out. In the key of C, 1 is C, 5 is G, which would play in first inversion, right? 6 is A minor in first inversion, and 4 is F. So when you practice this, you're going to practice with all 3 performance techniques, and I don't know if you 100% remember those. I bet you do. I'm going to post a page with those, but basically, chunk, right? Broken chord, 1, 5, 6, 4. Arpeggios. So those are the 3 different variations that you're going to do. So that was a 1, 5, 6, 4 starting in root position. Now if we start our 1, 5, 6, 4 in second inversion, we have, and I'm actually going to do chunk already, right? So here's your C second inversion, going to G in root position, going to A, and F in first inversion. Same thing with broken chord. Arpeggio. The last variation that we have there printed out is C starting in first inversion. So C root position, C first inversion. If you start in C first inversion, when you go to G, we're going to go to that to G in second inversion, because that's the note that is in between there, that is the common tone. A minor, everything goes up, and then F, right? So here we go. Broken chord. Arpeggio. So there you have it. So this is the 1, 5, 6 for progression in C. Now the bottom of the page is asking you to, number 1, write down each chord symbol. Number 2, notate each chord in its appropriate inversion. Remember necessary accidentals. So I want you to put the accidentals directly on the chord. Don't use key signatures. Those, just put it directly on the chord. So make sure you do those key of F, G, and B flat. And I'm not going to play through all of those, but I'll tell you what the chords are, okay? So F, in the key of F, of course, F is 1. Then the 5 chord is C, and you're going to follow the example there and do it with the same inversions, right? Then the 6 chord is D minor, and the 4 chord is B flat. Okay, so again we have F. Now I'm going to start in the second inversion just so you have that version there. F, C, D minor, B flat. Now I'm going gonna do that again, starting on the first inversion. F, C, D minor, B flat. So pause the video if you need to, make your notes, do your practice, and continue. And then for the G, here are the chords for G. G in root position. The 5 chord is D in first inversion. 6 chord is E minor. 4 chord is C in second inversion. If you start that G in second inversion, it will look like this. Then D major, E minor, and C. And if you start the G in first inversion, you have G, D major, E minor, and C. Now the chords for B flat. 1 chord B flat, 5 chord is F, 6 chord G minor, 4 chord E flat. If you start that B flat in second inversion, B flat, F in root, G minor in root, E flat first inversion. If you start your B flat in first inversion, you go to F in second inversion, G flat in second inversion, E flat in root position. And there you have it. That's the end of our 1, 5, 6, 4 progression review.